So what's up? Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a ringtone, like your own favorite song as your ringtone. As you know, Apple doesn't allow you to put your own song as your ringtone straight from the iPhone. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do it. For this, all you need is GarageBand. So open up GarageBand right here, and then go to iPhone ringtones on the side of it. Then an example ringtones, choose. Name it whatever you want. For this, I'm just gonna call it test 1. I'm gonna save it on my desktop so it's easy to find. Save. So it's right there. So when it opens, hold on, let me fix it up. Alright, so I'm just gonna delete that because this is an example. Now this yellow bar is the one that's telling you when your ringtone is gonna start repeating. So I'm just gonna go into my music library and choose a song. Let's just pick this one or this one. Yeah, let's go with this one. So once my song is in there, I can move my yellow bar to whatever part I want to make my ringtone of. So you choose your best part. For me, I'm just gonna choose the start of it. So yeah, you can shorten it longer if you wanted to, but like 10 seconds is enough. So I'm just gonna there, and I'm gonna play. It's gonna start playing from the yellow one. So yeah, after I got this, you're gonna go up to share at the top, press share, and send song to iTunes. Send. You can name it whatever you want. It starts sending. It's gonna open up in your iTunes. Yeah, it's right there, guys. And so that's how you make a ringtone, guys. It's pretty easy. Thanks, guys. I know this is my first video. I might make heaps of mistakes. I'm sorry about that. Please feel free to leave a comment. Please like and subscribe. That's gonna help me a lot. And in the future, I'll be making unboxing and reviewing videos. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye. Please like and subscribe.